Good morning. Cardio dance this morning. This is a classic combination. I just put it together for you right now. So let's go. Start from the top. Alternating knee, step knee, march, march. I want you to hear that music. I love it. It's called Let's Go. All right. So when you're doing a step that you cannot get and you feel like you're not that coordinated, talk to yourself. Say step, knee, march, march, step, knee, march, march. So this is the first one. You can do any arms you want. I am going to fly through this combination today. Walk right here. So then I'm going to do a crosswalk. It's just a march. It is cross, 2, 3, cross, 2, 3, center. Cross, 2, 3, cross, 2. Good morning. I hope you guys are up and at 'em and moving. I love that. Let's go. No excuses. So crosswalk is just marching. So you can add turns anywhere on this crosswalk. You can add it on the first push, second push, or third push. Now, I'm not going to do all of those. Here we go, crosswalk. The best one I like to do, this preps you right there. Hold it. So let's put those two parts together. Alternating knee. Big arms. Come on, everyone. Crosswalk right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it. We're going on. Oh, my belt's coming up. Cha-cha mambo, triple, double. Triple, double. Good morning, triple. Double. One more time slowly. Triple steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Speed it up. And again, on the double step, you can do a little turn if you want right there or back there. But I'm going to keep myself square on so that you can see me. We're putting the whole thing together. So far, step, knee, crosswalk. Add that turn if you can right here. Cha-cha mambo. Push. Then hold it right there. We're going on. Wide march. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold. Now, on the hold, 1, 2, 3, hold. You're going to lift your knee. Knee. And you're going to have fun while you do this, okay? You got that? One more. Talk. 1, 2, 3, knee. Train that brain. Couple more times. Then we're going to put all four parts together and move on again. Yes, we are. Step knee. Crosswalk, 8 marches. Then here comes your cha-cha mambo. You can move anywhere on that. Then 3 pushes and a knee and a knee. Stop. We're going on. Now, when you lift your knee, you're going to be on the diagonal. So we're going to do some switch lunges to pump up the volume here. Switch lunges. So all you're going to do is alternate a jump. Feels like a little bump, but we're going to switch it. So 3 switches and a hold. 1, 2, 3. 1. And you can take these deep if you really want to work your legs. But I'm going to do something a little different. Turn. Turn. And then I'm going to step touch. Do that again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to step the other way. So you can step out of that anyway because you're double bouncing. So notice, I'm on the second leg. We're going to take the whole thing from the top on that second side. I know. That's quick. Train that brain. Ready? Here we go. Step knee. Step knee. Crosswalk. Cha-cha mambo. 1, 2, 3 with the leg hold. Ready for those switch lunges. Step touch. Right there. All right. We're going to learn one more step, but it's very close to the first step. Step, knee, march, march. Watch the push. Step, knee, march, march. So you're just changing your orientation a little bit. Then pump it up by doing this grand aerobic, and you can jump it. Got that? March it up right here. We're going to put the whole thing together. Yes, we are. From the top. We don't have a lot of time. Step, knee, one time through. That's it. Crosswalk right here. You did it. Cha-cha front right there. Front. 1, 2, 3, knee. Woo, that was fast. Cross lunges. Step touch to the other direction. Step, kick, march, march. Oh, that was the whole combination. Now, I know I went through it kind of fast, but that's a lovely thing about having things recorded. You can repeat it over and over until you get it. Give me a couple more. I'll see you Friday. Flexibility Friday. Have a great day.